All right, so here's a look at the shop. I'll take a look at what I'm doing with the dust collection. So I'm just doing kind of an elbow around that door and I'm dropping it down to these three. This will be the end of the shop vac run. I'm using this PowerTech 2.5-inch dust collection network. I've got 2 boxes of it. So we'll see how far that gets us. So look at the progress I've made so far. Got the drop, the last drop going to these 3 sanders, goes up and around here. And there's 2 drops. You can see the angled T's coming down right there. And then if you come in this closet, you've got the pipe coming out of this wall. I teed off and came in here. I'm gonna drop 1 for the bandsaw, drop another for the router, and 1 more for the scroll saw. So that's the progress so far. Okay, so I'm pretty much wrapped up for the day. I have done a test on it and I'll show you over here. But this is the inside right here. Again, I teed off on the other side of the wall to get into the closets. I got 3 drops in there. You can see that white pipe, that's where the T is. I have my cyclone separator hooked up here at the end, or at the beginning, if you will. And gotta source some hose to come down and do get to the tools that I would like to. But I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops on this run, and I'm potentially going to split off into 8 hoses. We'll see how I do this bench right here, but we'll do a quick test. Here, I'm gonna turn it on. So we got it on, and I got this open right here to the, so you see the sound difference. So it's getting good suction right there. I'm gonna open it up. Let's turn this light on. Got it right here. You might not be able to see. Let's see here. Make it a little wobbly. Cut that, and we can start all that stuff up. My goal will be to get a remote control for the vacuum so that I can turn it on remotely. But pretty much got what I want. I did need to secure the runs coming down in the pipe a little bit better. So I'm gonna work on that next. Probably use some anchors to secure those in with, but all in all, it's doing the function that I want it to. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the shaky film around the drill press. I still got to get some better lighting here in the garage, but everything's kind of coming together. I've got to organize and clean up. I want to build some drawers over here on these 2 workbenches to house a lot of hand tools and screws and fasteners. Clean up this pile over here so I can move my compound miter saw over there, but everything's coming together. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Hit that notification bell if you want to see a new video when it comes out. Thanks for tuning in.